Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I picked up a few items from Hobby Lobby this week, and let me show you what I picked up. I picked up this Valentine wood tiles, and you get 20 pieces per package. So these were 75% off all the Valentine items, and I paid $1.12 each for these. My thought was to use these letters to spell out whatever I want. And it's just not for Valentine, rearrange the words however you like. I also found this. This is a Type-C adapter, and I paid $1.49. See, it's exactly what it is. If your computer doesn't have a Type-C port, just plug in the USB and then connect your Type-C that way. And I found only one. The other item I picked up is this. This is a wedding bow, and it was $1.99. A while back I saw this on a display in Hobby Lobby, and I really liked it, and I wanted to recreate it, so I bought me a roll of what I thought it was. At the time, I thought it was this sheer fabric, but I didn't realize I was buying tools, so I never did give it a try. Well, the first time they marked down wedding section, they didn't. This was not on sale. It was still at $7.99. But the other day, when they were making room for their truck, I noticed this. They have finally marked this down. So if you have not seen this bow marked down in your store, well, I would check with somebody to see if it is. My receipt says 4. For some reason, I thought I picked up 5. Okay, I will have to count to make sure. But look, I like this. I like the sheer fabric on this. So I will save this for next year, definitely. I'm going to put those in a box somewhere. And then I picked up some regular price items. I decided to pick up this 9-piece clay sculpting tool, and it was $8.99. It's regular price. I like these tools because they're two-sided. So we get the rubber pieces here. Let me see if I can open it and hang on to this package, because see, it has like information on the back of your packaging. And let's see, let me dump this out real quick. See, I wanted these large ball tools. That is large, right? This is great for when you're trying to create like flowers and stuff. You use this heavy piece and roll around and on the paper or whatever, and you shape it. Or you can do that for clay too, but look at all the sizes you get. There's that, and this. Wonderful, right? And then these are called daughters, or I like to call them a styling tool. This one is very, very tiny. So when you buy this, if you decide to buy it, check the tips before you leave the store, because I was looking at another package and this tiny one was bent on the other package, so I did not pick that one up. And then this one is actually called a chisel tool. See this? So I bought mine from down the aisle where all the painting and the paint brushes are. So this was just a bonus find for me. So, and then of course if you can use it to sculpt clay too. So yeah, I got what I wanted out of that package and more from that. So it was fantastic buy. And then I picked up some washi. I decided to pick this up. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? The Paper Studio's on sale this week, so it was 40% off, I believe. Look at that. And then I also I needed the wide black one with the polka dots, and these two came as a bonus. And then when I was there, I decided to pick this one up too. Now, when you see this label, the yellow label, these are not reduced price. So you whatever the yellow label price is what you'll pay. I am after this washi right there. Unfortunately, you have to buy the whole set just to get the one you want. But I also like the script here, and I like the florals. I think this whole collection right here I love. I like that one. I like this collection too. The rest I can use it somewhere. Like this row, I can probably use this for like in my autumn projects. And if I decide to do like a coastal theme, this would be good. And the same thing with that one. So, but yeah, my main purpose for picking this up was this one right here. And the rest I just like. I like this whole row, and I like that row too. I didn't realize there was a butterfly one in there. So I can definitely find a use for those. But I will use the whole collection eventually. And then this is how much you have on each row. I guess the whole collection combined is 250 yards of washi tape. Yeah. I now have some new washis. And then I also picked up another one of these 3-ring scrapbook album refill pack. I like using this one. The regular price is $4.49, and I paid $2.69 for that one. And then the last item I picked up from Hobby Lobby is this. It's a scrapbook case. I needed another one, and Hobby Lobby charges $3.99 for this, in case you guys want to know. It's a little bit more at Michael's, but I've been buying mine from Michael's, and I wait till it goes on sale. That way I can, add up my points for my coupons. But yeah, I do have some new stuff this week. I'm quite happy with it. Well, I'm waiting on clearance in my paper crafting section at my stores. So I'm still waiting. I saw them working to mark down the party section this week or on Monday, that they'll get to paper crafting this week. I asked the girl that was working there if she'll be marking down the paper crafting section. She said she's waiting on the go ahead before she can even start. So I'm still waiting. I'm patient. I'm hanging in there. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.